A convict who has been on death row earlier was resentenced today following a review of that case. As Foreign Carey tells us, the convicted man, a former butcher by profession, had a few words to say before his sentence was passed.
Former death row inmate and convicted murderer Cyril Davil tried his best to convince the court that he is a changed man during his resentencing hearing Tuesday. When given an opportunity to speak during the proceedings, 50-year-old Davil stood up in the prisoner's dock and apologized to God, the nation, his family, and the relatives of Anthony Feast, the man he shot to death back in August of 1992. But Davil's brief apology did not have the effect he was hoping for. That's because Senior Justice John Isaacs noted that while prison officers view Davil as a changed man, he could not discount the report of the probation officer who suggested that the 50-year-old may be hiding his true nature, as his relatives were surprised that he had killed someone. And while Davil expressed remorse for his actions and worked with the disabled in prison, Justice Isaacs noted, among other things, 3 unspecified infractions while in prison, along with Davil's 15 and 10-year sentences for armed robbery and gun possession, which he said suggests that Davil has a propensity for weaponry. In his plea in mitigation, Davil's attorney Dorsey McPhee begged the court to give his client a second chance, noting that Davil was about 26 when he committed the crime, is now a changed man, and should be given a chance to reintegrate into society. But Justice Isaacs was not swayed and sentenced Davil to 55 years in prison.
I think it's a little harsh, but I have to respect the judge's decision at all times. There's a possibility that he could appeal if he wished.
Now, there are provisions in the prison rules for particularly long sentences to be reviewed, and Davil is expected to take advantage of that opportunity, possibly within the next 5 years. Foreign Carey, ZNS Network News.